Hello, good morning. This is Sandeep Valluri, a seminar presentation of lean manufacturing presented by Sandeep under the guidance of Dr. Anil Shiratti, Department of Mechanical Engineering. My flow of contents: Introduction to lean manufacturing, objectives, principles of lean manufacturing, implemented steps of lean manufacturing, tools and techniques of lean manufacturing, advantages of lean manufacturing, and conclusion. This is the house of lean manufacturing, how it is and constructed and everything. Lean manufacturing in the highest quality and the cost is low and the shortest lead time by eliminating waste. What is waste? Waste is anything that happens to your product that does not have any value for the customer perspective. Products being sorted, inspected, or delayed, products waiting in queues, and defective products do not add any value to it. What is just in minute? Just in minute in the sense it may take just a minute, just in time to change what it is. It's take time, one piece flow and full system. Culture of continuous improvement. What is the improvement? Is improvement in the sense where it is continuously improving day by day. It's that's called as culture of continuous improvement. This is Jodka. This is the one of the system in its manual or automatic line stop and separate operator and machine activities, error proofing and visual control. Then when it comes to operation stabilities, these are the continuous operation stabilities which is shown here. Azuka standard how standard work, TPM and value chain. This is all about the hours of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing in a few words. What's the lean manufacturing? Lean is a set of tools that assist in identification and elimination of waste, which in turn helps. Lean manufacturing is more films that implementing lean inventory management techniques to reduce the cost, improves flexibility, and have more time to focus on their customers. Lean supply chain and inventory management enables small medium business to improve efficiency of increase profits. This is what is lean manufacturing. Lean refers to a system approach to enhancing value in a company inventories by identifying and eliminating waste of materials, effort, and time through continuous improvement in persist of perfection. This is my objectives of lean manufacturing: improves quality, elimination of waste. As I said, waste is anything that happens to product that does not have any value of customer perspective. Waste in the sense overproduction, waste of unnecessary motion, waste of transportation, waste of inventory, production of defects, waste of waiting, waste of transportation, waste of over processing, and reduces time. Continuous improvement, these are objectives. When it comes to principles of lean manufacturing, these are the five principles in lean manufacturing as follows: production of value, optimizing the value stream, converting the process of flow, activating the demand full, perfection of all products. Implement the steps of lean manufacturing. These are the few steps in implementing of lean manufacturing: identifying the fact that are waste to be removed, what are the waste to be removed, reducing the cost and everything, analyzing the waste, finding the root causes of three waste. Waste in the sense transportation waste, removal of waste. These are the waste. Finding the solution of the root causes, application of solutions, and achieving the objective. Tools and techniques of lean manufacturing. Control quality control tools as a Pareto chart, fishbone diagram, histogram, control chart, scatter diagram. These are the quality control tools. 5S. 5S in the sense one is a short. Short means eliminated what is not needed. Set to order. Organize what is needed. Shine. Clean and organize the work area. Standardize. Standardize the best particles. Sustain. Regularly flow of standards. These are the 5S. As it is a just in minute, as I said, it's a Kanban chart and Kaizen chart. These are the tools and techniques of a lean manufacturing. What are the advantages of lean manufacturing? Waste elimination, work process standardization, effective plan layout, quality will be enhanced at source level, increases the productivity by 30% of the existing level, reduction of production cost, reduction of risk. This is all about reducing the cost, improving the quality, saving time, increasing efficiency, establishing flow in a process, improves visibility, reduces complexity. These are the main advantages in lean manufacturing. How does 5S work? Helps in saving time, improves work process condition, helps in increase productivity, helps in eliminating other waste. Waste in the sense waste of motion, waste in transportation, waste of waiting. This is the how does 5S help. And then comes to the conclusion. What is the lean manufacturing conclusion is the concept of lean manufacturing is a new in some of a UN development countries, and proactive organizations have already been observed to implement this tool in the functional departments. This is primarily due to the multitude of cost advantages which rises having a lean manufacturing process. It reduces the cost, reduces the time, improves visibility, saving time, reduces and everything will be reduced, and it is done in a very simple and systematic manner. This is all about it, and thank you.